G'day you mob, Pete here. Welcome to this episode of Aussie English. Today I am going to be teaching you 16 different ways to say yes in Australian English. Before we get started, don't forget to download today's PDF worksheet where you will have all 16 of these different synonyms for the word yes in Australian English. And you'll also have another 34 different ways to say yes more generally in English, politely, informally. There's 50 total in this PDF. You can get this PDF via the link in the description below. And also, remember you can listen to this episode on the Aussie English podcast free via any good podcast app. It's on Spotify, it's on Apple Podcasts. Go check it out and you can listen to the audio there. Okay, so number one, yeah. Yeah is a casual and informal yes used in almost any situation. Yeah, mate, yeah. Are you coming to the pub tonight? Yeah, mate, I'm coming. Are you going to the beach? Yeah, absolutely. Number two, yep. Yep. A slightly more informal way of saying yes in Australian English. Is this yours? Yep. Are you going to the Barbie on the weekend? Yep, definitely. Number three, very similar to yep, is yup. We're only changing the vowel sound from to yup. This is a very relaxed and often playful way of saying yes in Australian English. Do you want a sausage sanger? Yep, you betcha. Do you like dogs? Yep, I love them. Number four, too right. Too right. It's often used to emphasize that the person you're talking with is absolutely 100% correct. It's hot as hell today, mate. Too right it is, mate. Holdens are the best type of cars. Too right they are, mate. Too right. Number five, sure thing. Sure thing. This is an easygoing and reassuring way to agree, especially when offering help. Can you give me a lift to the servo? Oh, sure thing, mate. Dad, can you help me move the couch? Sure thing, son. Sure thing. Number six, you bet. You bet. This is a confident and enthusiastic way of agreeing or showing willingness. Are you going to watch the cricket tomorrow? You bet. Are you coming to the party? You bet. And you may also hear this as you betcha, as in you bet you are correct, I guess. You bet. You betcha. You betcha. Number seven, sweet as. Sweet as. This is a very Aussie expression meaning absolutely or no problem. Can you grab us a cold one out of the fridge, mate? Yeah, sweet as. Do you want to come with me to the beach tomorrow? Yeah, sweet as. Number eight, dead set. Dead set. This is used to strongly agree with someone, often implying amazement or disbelief. He caught a fish this big. Whoa, dead set. He just bought a new car. Dead set? That's unreal. So it's kind of like saying, yeah, that's unreal. Number nine, righto. Righto. This is a casual agreement often used to acknowledge a request or instruction from someone. Can you take the bins out, son? Yeah, righto. Can you park your car around the back? Yeah, righto. Sort of like saying, all right. Number 10, fair income. Fair income. This is used to affirm something is true or genuine, often with sincerity or surprise. Did you hear he won the lotto? Fair income. That's amazing. In this case, it's kind of like, really? Yeah, fair income. Are you serious? Yeah, fair income. Yep. 11, good on ya. Good on you. Good on ya. This is used to encourage someone or show agreement with what they're doing. Oh, good on ya. I just finished a marathon. Oh, good on ya. That's impressive. It's kind of like, well done. Yeah, good on ya. Well done. That's impressive. Number 12, no worries. This is a very Australian way of saying yes while reassuring the other person that it's no trouble, not a problem. Is it okay if I borrow the car tomorrow? No worries. No worries. And you could just say, yeah, no worries. Yep, no worries. Sure thing. No worries. Number 13, beauty. Beauty. This is an expression of approval or agreement, often meaning great or awesome. We got tickets to the footy. Beauty, mate. Yeah.
So, Editor Pete here. Apparently, I skipped number 14.
And it's a classic one that we can't forget. Number 14 is too easy, which is a laid-back way to say yes or indicate that something is easy or manageable.
Can you email me the details? Too easy, buddy. Too easy. Can you grab the next round of drinks? Yeah, too easy.
Number 15. True. True. This is short and casual and often used to confirm something or express agreement. The surf was massive this morning. True. My mate got attacked by a kangaroo. True. Oh my gosh. And lastly, number 16, guys. A shorter version of just good on ya is on ya. On ya, mate. On ya. Which is used to show support or agreement. I've started learning Aussie slang. On ya? That's awesome. So, let me know below which of these is your favourite and try and write your own sentence using one of these different Aussie ways to say yes. And don't forget to grab today's free worksheet down in the description and you're going to learn a total of 50 different ways to say yes in English. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.